Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you guys are finished with exams for you that are writing. I'm bringing the last spring look for the year. I know how time flies by so quickly. So if you want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. To get started with this look, I'm going to be using my Connie Transform eyeshadow palette. And we are just going to be using two colors. So we're going to take Ebony in the crease, and then we're going to take Queen Bee and put it all over the lids. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Blush, and this is in the color Love Joy, and I'm just going to apply it on the apples of the cheeks as well as into my contour. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Carly Babel Deluxe palette, and I'm going to take this sort of brown highlighter and put it on the highest points of my cheeks. And then I'll use this white one for the inner corner highlights and to highlight my brow bone. For lashes, I'm going to use my Adele Wispies, and you can get these at Clicks. I'll also try list the prices for the products in the description bar below. So we are going with our orange theme here. So I'm going to use my Connie Transform Lippy, and this is in the color Queen Bee. So it's the same length as the eyeshadow. This is the final look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. This unfortunately is the last tutorial for the year. My last video is going to be a Q&A, so please just let me know in the comment section what you want to ask me, what you want to know, and I will give you the tea. I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Sipuya Mabuza. Thank you so much for subscribing to the family. If you would like a shout out, or if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe by hitting the red button down below. And also please click the bell so you can be notified of every time I post a new video. And also you can follow me on my social media accounts, which are in the description box. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I love you guys. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.